This is a memory book your students are going to actually love completing. So they'll customize their cover. They're going to be able to insert images of themselves, photos, which we know that they love doing, their favorite things throughout the year. They're even going to talk about things that they didn't like about the year, which is always fun for them to look back on. The entire presentation is customizable, so you can change any of the text and the clip art throughout it, talk about how they've grown, what they've loved about the year. There's even a self-love corner where they're going to give themselves a compliment, a positive affirmation, and even some advice for next year. And they can insert some fun images here as well. There's a slide about COVID and what school was like during COVID. They can customize their mask here. A teacher spotlight slide, so you can insert an image of yourself before you give it to students. They can type something that they remember you said all the time, which is always kind of funny for you to see after. A summer bucket list, looking forward to. There's even photo slides as well. Now, something that is really great to do at the beginning of this before you give it to students is to project this brainstorming memory slide for your class and just come up with a list of things to jog their memory about the year, and then they can use this when they complete their book. And there's also some photo bank slides, so you can put a bunch of photos on here and they can choose from those photos. So here's what students will actually see when they get the book. There's specific instructions, so students know exactly where to type, where to insert images. If you want to change anything on these slides, you can go to Slide Edit Master, change any text and images right in there. The whole thing is customizable. And lastly, there is an autograph activity. So you'll assign this separately. Each student will choose a slide, and then they're going to go through and write their name on their friend slides or a positive message to them. And then they'll copy and paste this slide right into their memory book. And I've included student directions for how to do that as well.